November is right around the corner, and that means it's time to find out what's leaving Netflix. Let's get right into quick hits. Quick hits are the most popular titles leaving Netflix. The full list, with ratings, will come after this. So let's get started. The biggest titles leaving are Amelie, Hellboy II: The Golden Army, Jurassic Park, The Lost World Jurassic Park and Jurassic Park III, Paddington, and Steel Magnolias. This episode is brought to you by our movie review duo, The Ordinary Critics. They most recently reviewed Venom, and will be reviewing Netflix original series The Good Cop very soon. You can watch their videos right here on our channel. Now let's get into the full list. What you're going to see is a movie or TV show followed by a number. That number is the average ratings from IMDb and both the user and critic reviews from Rotten Tomatoes. If you want to see all of the ratings, head on over to spfinfinity.com. But back to business, let's get to that full list. Starting on November 1st, there's Amelie, Crossfire, Cruel Intentions 2 and Cruel Intentions 3, Hellboy II: The Golden Army, Jurassic Park 3, Oculus, Phenomenon, Run to Me, Smokin' Aces 2: Assassin's Ball, Steel Magnolias, The Invasion, The Land Before Time, The Land Before Time 2: The Great Valley Adventure, The Land Before Time 3: The Time of the Great Giving, The Lazarus Effect, The Lost World Jurassic Park, The Reader, and Up in the Air. Moving on to the 12th of November, there's Anna Karenina. As for the 16th of November, Paddington is leaving us. And on the 17th, we're already at the end of the list with Undercover Boss Seasons 1 through 5 leaving. Now that you know everything that's leaving Netflix, let's get into the best and worst ratings for this month. The best rated titles leaving are Steel Magnolias, which has a 7.7, Up in the Air comes in at 8.1, Paddington gets an 8.3, Jurassic Park has an 8.8, and the best rated title leaving is Amelie at an 8.9. On the flip side, the worst rated titles leaving are The Invasion at a 3.9, Smokin' Aces 2: Assassin's Ball comes in at a 3.7, The Lazarus Effect gets a 3.0, Cruel Intentions 2 has a 2.7, and the worst rated title leaving is Run to Me with a 2.6. Alright guys, be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you're planning to watch before it leaves. And with all of that said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day.